Your kidneys are crucial, but what happens when they give warning signs? Pay attention: constant fatigue, dry skin, high blood pressure, changes in urine, swelling in the feet, difficulty breathing, and loss of appetite. Small symptoms, big alerts. Don't ignore them, your health may depend on it. The first sign that your kidneys may not be functioning properly is a persistent feeling of fatigue and lack of energy. It's not simply the usual tiredness after a long day or a restless night. This fatigue is deep, persistent, and doesn't improve with rest. But why does this happen? The kidneys have vital functions, including filtering waste from the blood, helping to control blood pressure, and stimulating red blood cell production. When they aren't working well, waste and fluids can build up in the body, leading to a constant feeling of tiredness. This condition of fatigue is also linked to anemia, a common symptom of kidney failure. Anemia occurs when the body doesn't have enough red blood cells, responsible for carrying oxygen to the body's tissues. Healthy kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which signals the bone marrow to produce more red blood cells. If the kidneys are damaged, they produce less erythropoietin, resulting in fewer red blood cells being made and consequently less oxygen being transported throughout the body, which can cause this persistent fatigue. Recognizing and understanding this initial sign can be crucial for identifying kidney problems early and seeking appropriate treatment. The second warning sign indicating possible kidney problems is dry skin and intense itching. At first glance, it may seem like just a superficial nuisance, a matter of insufficient hydration or an allergic reaction. However, medicine teaches us that skin health is often a reflection of internal health, and in the case of the kidneys, the relationship is direct and significant. The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of minerals and nutrients in the body, including calcium and phosphorus. When they aren't functioning properly, this balance is disrupted, which can lead to dryness and irritation of the skin. In addition to regulating minerals, healthy kidneys are also responsible for removing toxins from the blood. If the kidneys are compromised and unable to filter these substances efficiently, toxins can begin to accumulate in the body, contributing to itching and other skin problems. This symptom, although often ignored or attributed to other causes, is a clear sign that something isn't right in the body's filtering system. It's important not to underestimate these seemingly minor signs, as they may be indicative of a more serious underlying condition that requires medical attention. Recognizing dry skin and itching as possible symptoms of kidney problems is a crucial step in seeking proper evaluation and treatment. If what I shared so far has resonated with you, I have something special that will interest you. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your life and start living your healthiest self today. By acquiring the ebook Secrets to Unshakable Health, you will have a guide with practical and proven strategies for living a longer, disease-free life. Click on the link in the first pinned comment and discover the path to lasting and robust health. The third sign that may indicate possible kidney failure is hypertension, or high blood pressure, which often goes unnoticed because it can manifest without obvious symptoms. The relationship between kidney health and blood pressure is bidirectional. Healthy kidneys help regulate blood pressure, while hypertension can cause damage to the blood vessels of the kidneys, compromising their function. The kidneys contain small glomeruli that filter waste and excess fluids from the blood. High blood pressure can damage these glomeruli, affecting the kidney's ability to filter efficiently, which in turn can lead to a vicious cycle of further damage and worsening hypertension. Understanding how high blood pressure affects the kidneys is crucial. When the kidneys don't function properly, excess fluid and salt in the body can increase, which can further raise blood pressure, creating a scenario of progressive deterioration of kidney function. This state not only jeopardizes kidney health but also increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, regular monitoring of blood pressure and seeking medical guidance when consistent elevations are noted are important preventive measures. Identifying and treating hypertension in the context of kidney care is essential to prevent progression to kidney failure. The fourth sign that your kidneys might be facing issues is a noticeable change in urine characteristics. These alterations can manifest in various forms, including increased or decreased urinary frequency, especially at night, the presence of blood in the urine, giving it a pink or reddish color, and a foamy or bubbly appearance of the urine, indicating the presence of protein. Urine is the final product of the kidney filtration process, and any changes in its appearance, volume, or frequency are direct indicators that something may not be functioning correctly in the renal system. Understanding these changes in urine is essential for the early diagnosis of kidney problems. For example, the presence of protein in the urine, a condition known as proteinuria, is one of the first signs of damage to the kidney filters. Similarly, hematuria, or blood in the urine, may indicate injury to the kidneys or urinary tract. Changes in urination patterns, such as feeling an urgent and frequent need to urinate, even if the amount of urine is small, may reflect compromised kidney function. Recognizing and understanding the importance of these urinary changes can be crucial for the early detection of kidney diseases and the implementation of effective treatment and management strategies. The fifth warning sign of possible kidney problems is swelling or edema, especially in the feet, ankles, legs, hands, and around the eyes. This swelling is caused by fluid retention in the body, a common symptom when the kidneys are not functioning properly and fail to eliminate excess fluid and salt. The role of the kidneys in regulating the body's fluid balance is crucial. They help maintain the right amount of fluids circulating in the body. When this balance is disturbed, excess fluid tends to accumulate in the tissues, leading to visible swelling, a physical and tangible sign that something is amiss. From a medical standpoint, evaluating edema is important for the diagnosis of kidney diseases. Swelling resulting from fluid retention may not only be uncomfortable but also may indicate decreased kidney function. In addition to being a warning sign for kidney failure, edema can also increase the risk of other health complications. It is essential to recognize this sign and seek medical evaluation to determine the underlying cause and initiate appropriate treatment. Proper management of kidney problems can help control edema and prevent progression to more serious conditions. The sixth sign that kidney health may be compromised is difficulty breathing or a feeling of shortness of breath. Although many may not immediately associate respiratory issues with kidney function, there is a direct connection that should not be ignored. When the kidneys are not efficiently functioning, excess fluid in the body can accumulate not only in the tissues, as mentioned earlier, but also in the lungs, a condition known as pulmonary edema. This buildup of fluid in the lungs can make breathing difficult and cause an alarming sensation of shortness of breath. Furthermore, kidney failure can lead to an increase in blood toxin levels, such as potassium, which can affect muscle function, including the muscles used for breathing. This, combined with pulmonary edema, can significantly impact the ability to breathe normally. Difficulty breathing may also be exacerbated by anemia, a common side effect of kidney disease, which limits the blood's ability to carry enough oxygen to the body tissues, including the respiratory muscles. Identifying and treating the underlying cause of this breathing difficulty is essential for improving the patient's quality of life and preventing potential serious complications related to both kidney disease and associated respiratory conditions. The seventh and final sign that may indicate a kidney problem is a sharp decrease in appetite, accompanied by a general feeling of malaise. This symptom may seem nonspecific and easy to dismiss as a result of a variety of other health conditions, but when related to kidney problems, it has a rather direct medical explanation. As renal function decreases and the kidneys fail to filter and eliminate toxins from the body properly, these substances accumulate in the blood, creating a condition known as uremia. Uremia can cause a general feeling of malaise, nausea, and even vomiting, naturally leading to loss of appetite. From a medical standpoint, the importance of recognizing this symptom lies in its ability to significantly affect the quality of life and nutritional status of the individual. Loss of appetite can lead to malnutrition, affecting the body's ability to recover and fight infections, as well as contributing to overall weakness. Additionally, malaise and loss of appetite may indicate that the kidneys are in an advanced stage of dysfunction, which requires immediate medical evaluation. Identifying and treating the underlying cause of decreased appetite and malaise can help improve symptoms and prevent progression to more severe stages of kidney disease. We've reached the end of our journey through the 7 crucial signs that indicate your kidneys may not be functioning as they should, from persistent fatigue to decreased appetite, through changes in urine, swelling, breathing difficulties, hypertension, and dry skin and itching. Each of these symptoms is a warning sign from your body, calling for attention and care. Kidney health is vital for the balance and overall well-being of our bodies, and understanding these signs is the first step in protecting it. Remember, prevention and early detection are the keys to keeping your kidneys healthy and avoiding future complications. If you've recognized any of these symptoms in yourself or someone close to you, don't hesitate to seek medical guidance. And now, we want to hear from you. Were you aware of these signs? Do you know someone who has had a similar experience? Share your stories and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found helpful information here and subscribe to our channel, Health Dose, for more content like this. Together, we can make a significant difference in our health and well-being. Until next time.